Good afternoon, folks. Good afternoon. This is Kassel with Bodylastics and your 30 Days to Bigger Arms Challenge with bands. Okay, so we are on day number 26. Isn't it 26, Tony? Today is day number 26. My goodness. And we're going to go back to muscle gambling. We've already done this before. Here with muscle gambling, you never know, but muscle gambling, everybody's a winner. So we have 6 different scenarios on the board, and I've got a pair of dice. I've actually just got one die, fuzzy die. We keep rolling the die, and whatever that comes up on is what we have to do. We have a total of 7 minutes. We do what's required. We roll it again. We do that, and we have 7 minutes total. Whenever that timer ends, we are done with the workout. But I can guarantee you this is going to be crazy nasty because each of the different numbers is an interval. So 4 times 20 by 15, 20 seconds of rest, 15 seconds of rest, or 30 seconds of reps, 10 seconds of rest, and 4 cycles of that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, ignore it. Just follow along. All right. Let's get this underway. So I'm going to roll first so we don't cheat ourselves out of that. Number 5. And number 5 is a 30 by 10, one-arm standing anchor preacher. So door anchor, bottom of the door. Let's set up before we start that timer. And I'm going to thread my red band. That is my 8-pound through with one handle. So what we're going to do, we're going to alternate arms. We're going to go 30 seconds with one arm, and then we have 10 seconds of rest, and then 30 seconds with the other arm, and then repeat. So it's going to be here. As many reps as you can get, right? All right, starting that timer. 30-10. Whichever arm you want to start with is fine with me. That palm stays up. Little tension on that band at the beginning. Inactive arm across the body, behind the active arm, and rep, 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 rep. Come on, only a few more days left before we take that measurement again. Make sure you're lengthening and shortening. Don't give me half reps here. Lengthen, shorten, right? We go to a micro bend in that elbow. We don't go fully straight all the way, but just to a micro bend. My goodness. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, time. 10 seconds rest, and we go with the other arm. I'm already sweating. 6 minutes and 12 seconds left in the entire workout. Here we go, other arm. Rep, rep, rep. Rep. Come on. More work, more results. How many reps can you get? Let's go. Bang, bang. 18 seconds left. Keep going. Rep, rep, rep. Come on. Again, again. Build the biceps. Bang, bang. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. The original arm. I'm already getting a ridiculous pump. That was just our first set for each arm. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 5.5 minutes left. Rep, 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 rep. If you have to slow down, then you slow down, but you keep going. That doesn't mean we stop for the whole 30 seconds, right? Maybe you have to take a break, then right back in. Rep, rep. I slowed it down, but I'm still getting work on the muscle. Lengthen, shorten. Lengthen, shorten. My goodness. Woohoo! Come on. 3, 2, 1. Time. There's nothing to it but to do it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Last set right here of 30 seconds. Then we roll that dice again. And I better not roll a 5 again. Roll. Rep. 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 Come on, squeeze. Squeeze the bicep at the top. Bang. Woo! Come on. 6 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. All right. I have to squish it really good so I don't roll that again. Come on. No, I'm not doing that. No way. I just roll the same thing. I'm mulligan. Number 4, 20 by 15, 3 and 3 seated preacher curls, seated preacher. 3 and 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3 static hold. Come on, bottom anchor, threading my band through. I've got a 23. It's 1, 2, 3 reps and 3-second hold for 20 seconds, and then 15 seconds rest. You set? Me too. Here we go. Starting session. Elbows right above the knees, palms facing up, feet flat on the floor. And it's 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hold. 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 2, 3, time. 15 seconds rest, and yes, I'm lowering the tension. That's why I got divorced. I wanted to lower the tension. It's a bad joke, I know, but here we go. 1, 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't give me half reps. Come on, lengthen that muscle. Almost a fully straight, just a micro bend in the elbow. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, and time. 2 more cycles of that. Let me roll the dice again. 6 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hold. Time under tension. 1, 2, 3, hold. Yeah, bigger biceps. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Time. Oh my gosh, we have one more. Holy cow. 1 minute, 55 left on the total clock. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, hold. Come on, kick it in right now. 1, 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hold. 2, 3, 1, 2, and time. Oh my gosh. That's a number, I'm not doing that again. It's a number 4. Sometimes these dice because they don't. Number 6, 4 by 30, 10, positive, negative, standing hammer curl. Really quick. 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down, and then 1, 2, 3 reps. Oh my, a minute left. It's going to be 30 by 10. Come on, let's get them in. The great thing that you guys can do is you can pause the video if needed.
Starting session.
1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 on the way down, then 1, 2, 3 reps. I think we have enough for 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Little bend in the legs, right? Pressure off the spine. Shoulders down the back. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and time. That's going to be it, folks.
Stopping session.
Winding down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. You guys want big guns, big pythons. Ladies, you want nice, arms when you're wearing your shirtless, strapless dress. Here it is, right here. You have to work them incredibly hard. We did it together as a team, as a family. Remember, leave me a comment. You like the workout? Give us a like. And of course, subscribe if you haven't and tap that bell so you guys get all the latest workouts we have coming your way here from Bodylastics. Blake Kassel, way to rock it today. Yeah, it's getting bigger. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for number 27. Wowee. Have a great one.